Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. If you're a busy person like I am and you need a neck massage on the go, then you need Spar's portable neck massager. This has been a total game changer for my entire family. This massager is easy to use and lightweight. We travel with this and we use it throughout the day on a regular basis at home. It gives you a deep but soothing massage that helps relieve any of the tension or stress you may be holding in your neck or shoulders. And the design makes it seem as if a professional masseuse is giving you a massage with their hands. Some of the features I love are the heating, which works very quickly, but can also be toned down or turned off. And I also like that you can actually slow the rotation down for a deep, slow massage. The battery's long lasting. Once you charge it, it can last for days without having to charge it again. But my all-time favorite feature is the strap that secures behind your back so you can get a massage while you do household chores. I mean, who doesn't want a massage while they do the dishes or vacuum the house? It stays put and it gives you the most satisfying neck massage. I highly recommend getting one of these for your family and gifting one to your favorite friend. And that is my point of view.